In this video, I'm going to show you how to export Figma to PDF. First, open your project in Figma. If your project contains multiple frames and you'd like to export all of them, click the menu icon located in the top left corner of your screen. Hover your mouse over the File option and a submenu will appear. From this menu, choose Export Frames to PDF. A new window will open where you can configure export settings such as color profile and quality. Adjust these according to your preferences and click Export. If you are using the Figma desktop app, you will be able to choose the location where you want to save your PDF. If you are using Figma in a browser, the PDF will be automatically saved to your default Downloads folder. You can rename the file before saving it if you wish. Once saved, navigate to the location where you exported it and open the file to see all your frames compiled into a single PDF document. If you only want to export a specific frame, click to select that frame on your canvas. Then go to the Design panel on the right-hand side of the screen and scroll down until you find the Export section. Click the plus icon to add an export option. The default format will be PNG, so click on that and choose PDF from the drop-down menu. Then click Export and select your preferred save location. Once saved, open the file and you'll see that only the selected frame has been exported. This is how you can export your Figma designs to PDF.